How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do that. So first of all, open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps. Then you will move on to the search of Google Maps and you will type the United States. That's the market we are going to work on in today. So here, the United States. And here, zoom in on the country. It's the best market you can apply this method in. And here we are going to select a city or a state. For example, let's go to Idaho. Let's zoom in on Idaho. Let's choose a city in here, or let's just go to the center, then go to the search again and type some kind of a small business like gyms or hair salon or auto repair, or let's go with plumbers, for example. Here, let's type plumber and click on search to see all of the available plumbers in the area here. So here we have a list of all the plumbers in the area. So here we can check the first one, which is Evans Plumbing. And here, guys, pay attention to the reviews and the first thing you see in the profile. Make sure they don't have a sponsored written in the profile, and also make sure they have less than 150 reviews, because the ones with sponsored and more than 150 reviews, they most probably they won't need our services, and the ones with less than 150 reviews, there is a probability that they would need our services. So here, let's check the first one and let's wait for the profile to load. So this is the first one here, and let's check their website. The first service you are going to offer them is website creation, and if they already have a website, we are going to see if it's up to date, and if it's not, we are going to offer to renovate the website for them. So here, as you can see, the website is very old. It needs a lot of renovation. As you can see, it was created in 2016, so it will need a lot of renovation. They could make a better website than this. So that's the first service we are going to offer them. Then let's move on to the reviews to see if they have any bad reviews. We can also offer to remove them from their Google Maps platform, and that's the second service you can deliver them. So here we have a 1-star review. As you can see, they simply can't get their billing straight and no one wants to help resolve. They tell you a price and then want to charge you a different price even after they made an invoice. The follow-up is incredibly slow. I was told by the person who answered the phone that they were not who I needed to speak with, and then they told me that I need to speak with someone in HR. So this is a very bad review for the business and also for their reputation in the market. It would prevent them from getting a lot of clients, and it will also take a lot of clients from them. And here, as you can see, they are trying to give a response to this bad review. As you can see, Tony, I'm sorry you had such a poor experience. We want to do everything we can to resolve your concerns. We will review your account immediately and reach out to you, Matt, API management. So as you can see, they would love, or they would need someone to remove this bad review for them. And we can go to more reviews to see if we can find another bad review, because those bad reviews are going to help us convince them to purchase our service from us. Because when we call them or when we send them a message, we're going to mention those bad reviews to in order to make them be aware of the negatives of those bad reviews. They could take a lot of clients for them, it could prevent them from making a lot of money, and it could prevent them from getting new clients. So here let's scroll down to see if we can find another one, and here it is, a 2-star review. Evans was fast and responsive to a leak in our water to air heat pump on a weekend. However, the cost was exorbitant. The first plumber fixed 2 small pinpoint leaks in a copper pipe, but knew nothing of such a system. Then 2 plumbers came to the next day and charged for 2, when it clearly was a one-man job to fix additional leak. For 3 easy to fix leaks, we were billed approximately $1,000. We will not use again or recommend to anyone. So this is another bad review, and this one is more bad than the first one we saw, so they would be eager to remove this bad review as well. And as I said in the beginning, you won't need any skill. All you have to do is send them a message or call them in order to book an appointment with them. Then in the meeting in Zoom or in the meeting in Skype, you can convince them to purchase your services, and after they pay you from $150 to $200, you'll just go to fiverr.com. Here, fiverr.com, and this is the freelancing platform when you can look for freelancers. So wait for it to load, and here you can find freelancers that are going to deliver the services instead of you, and you will pay them, for example, the website creation or renovation. This is the freelancer that is going to deliver that service instead of us, and you will only pay him $80. And for the bad reviews removing, this is the freelancer who is going to do that, and you'll pay him also $25, and in total it's $105. So for example, if this client pays us $200, we will be left with $95 profit without even learning any skill or without even delivering the service ourselves. So I think, guys, you get the idea of how this business is going to make money, how you can make money with this business. And my only advice is to be patient. The hardest thing in this method is finding or getting the first client, but once you get your first client, it would be easier to make them 10 or 15 clients. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.